The project that myself and Professor Annalisa Ciampi, who is a professor here at the law faculty, but is also the United Nations Special Rapporteur for the Freedom of Association, we decided together to look at the drafting history of the Fourth Geneva Convention for Civilians, which is the bedrock of all international humanitarian law, and it is the only treaty, international treaty, ever ratified and signed by all 196 UN member states. Working closely together with Professor Ciampi meant that we could transgress disciplinary boundaries and bring in someone like me, who is a historian, into the workings of a law faculty. Now, many law faculties don't like this idea of breaking their boundaries and bringing other influences. Professor Ciampi insisted that we would actually do that, and that was something which was taken very well by the European Commission, who decided to award us the project, also looking at the fact that this important bedrock treaty, we don't actually know who wrote it. And the reason we don't know who wrote it is because the historians have never looked at it, and the lawyers were never interested in knowing who wrote it. But for Professor Ciampi and myself, it was very interesting to see who actually wrote this treaty. How did it come about?